Morning. It's a nice day out today. Oh, hang on. There we go. I've been standing here watching the river. Nothing. The minute I turn the video on, cars start going past. But anyway, today I am thankful for this. Different route this morning. Getting out into the wilds and just enjoying the sounds. The sound of water is lovely. Oh, and the sound of scaffold poles at the antique place just up the road. But never mind, let's concentrate on the sound of the water. Makes me wish I had a little space down by the river and a yoga mat or something. But I don't, and I have about 5 miles to go, so... Another car. Yeah, so about 5 miles to go, so I better get a wriggle on, to be honest. My legs are not with it this morning, they're not impressed with the whole thing. But these are the days when you persuade them that they should do it. However slowly. Maybe it's a run-walk day today. Anyway, let's get going.